So Sherry started to use the grouping method to factor the expression x squared plus 5x minus 84 as shown. It looks like Sherry figured out that the two numbers that we multiply to get negative 84 is negative 7 times 12, which is good because they add up to be positive 5x. So then it says, which expression is the next step? So what I got to do is if I have x squared plus 12x, I can factor out an x on that, and that gives me x plus 12. Then we're going to do the same thing with the negative 7x and negative 84. If there is a negative sign, you almost always pull out the negative, and then the greatest common factor is 7, because 7 goes into 84. 84 doesn't have an x, so really the only thing I can factor out is a negative 7. Negative 7 times x gives me negative 7x, and then we know that negative 7 times a positive 12 gives me negative 84. But notice also that these two are the same. All right, so if we look down here, is it B? Yeah, B is the right answer.